Oh man, what have we done?
Well, planted a lot of okra and some flowers. We went to Tractor Supply.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing? Yep, went to Tractor Supply.
Yeah. We have a grill to put together. We have a rabbit that is brining. I have bee equipment that I need to put together. Today's just a busy day. It's such a busy day.
Well, let's get to it.
So,
All right, so the people over at London Sunshine gave us a 15-inch grill. And buddy, let's get to it.
Wow.
15-inch Cambudos designed for even heat distribution. Thick walls, mesh fiberglass gaskets, whole nine. Let's open this up. Let's try it out, and let's get to it, man.
ooh. You are important. All right, so it says, thank you for choosing our product. Scan to activate your warranty. It requires registration within 30 days of purchase. So we'll definitely have to activate that. London Sunshine.
You know, I'm looking at the manual.
You're looking at a manual?
Yeah, trying to see. Because usually, like, when you buy something that cooks, it has, like, times and everything else in it. Like, right here, it's got, you know, fish, 10 to 20 minutes. Slow cook for smoke for briskets, 2 hours per pound. Yeah. So.
This is, I'm assuming, the top, isn't it?
And I do look at the instructions just to see how many parts there is after that.
So this is a ceramic grill. So you can smoke, roast, you can do everything in it. You can even do pizza in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big old piece.
Watch out, Amy. We actually really like to cook pizza. That sound is horrible.
I know.
It's horrible. Holy cow.
So we got the dark green color. There's a few options. There's what? Black, green, orange, and red.
Yeah. They gave us the green. This is a...
Can I pick this up?
Probably
No, that's going to be a big fat no.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't try to
My
pick
back
that
has
up.
already been bothering me today, so...
Yeah, we had to shovel some dirt inside the shed.
That plus planting, doing in-ground planting. Unwell. Oh, that must be the stand.
All right, watch out. Watch out.
Gotta be careful.
All right, well, we're going to put this thing together and we're going to get right back at you guys. We're not going to bore you with that.
Skeezy on the beat,
Well,
That was actually really easy.
that was actually very easy. Okay. I didn't even check out the part down here. Oh, you can open it fully or let
Yeah.
it vent. It has vents at the top, a vent at the top, you know, and then the vent at the bottom. But the vent at the bottom has like holes in it. Watch out so the people can see, Avy.
Come here, Avy.
So the people can see.
All right, so this is the London Sunshine. It's the 15-inch Kamado charcoal barbecue grill. So it's ceramic, and it's got like the entire inside is ceramic. And it can pretty much do everything we need it to do. This is the 15-inch one, so it's a little bit, they have a smaller one than this, but it's a little bit bigger than that one. And then it has the sides that can come up. And then there's also little hangers on both sides too.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Yeah, and it's on wheels.
It is on wheels, so it's very easy, very movable. Works for what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Or want to do anyways. We may end up taking it out the stand and building our own stand around it.
Yeah.
Just because we plan on building this whole section over here. So that's about it for us, but holy cow, this is nice.
That's probably the easiest thing we've put together in a long time.
It's very easy. It was very, very easy to put together.
Yeah.
Let's see how she wears and tears.
Okay.
Let's put something on it.
We got a couple options.
We got rabbit, as y'all guys know. Well, I don't know if we said it on YouTube, but I know on my Facebook, if y'all follow us on Facebook, I was asking about rabbit because we heard they taste like chicken and easier to grow than chicken and a lot less cleanup. So we wanted to see what that tasted like. So we went and we ordered rabbit from online.
Yeah.
And
nobody around here has any.
Nah.
Like they don't sell it, which I was kind of surprised. We're pretty out in the country.
Yeah. So we got some rabbit that we're going to throw in here, and we got some steaks we're going to throw in here too. So
Yeah.
let's go ahead and put the steaks on this bad boy.
I did the whole rabbit in a buttermilk brine.
And we're going to let's go harvest. We're going to go harvest some spinach and some rosemary to go on our steaks from the garden.
Okay.
Yo,
Do like a rosemary butter.
Let's get to it, man. What y'all waiting for?
Hey, leave it alone, please.
Oh man, look at our spinach. They are doing so good. This soil is the same soil from this land, just with chicken manure in it.
So the outer one's not inner.
Mommy,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nope, don't do that. Here, let me go get a basket.
Yeah, this is going.
Let's go get a basket, Avy.
Really gonna need a basket for sure. You cut off the outer leaves. That way the inside can keep growing. And if my leaves are a little bit what I don't consider good enough for me to be eating, and I'm gonna leave them up there, let them keep going, you know what I mean? So we'll take these off like that there. Feel me? Get yourself some scissors. Some spinach. See, this is one stem right here, and it's gonna keep growing from here, right here.
We gotta give it to Dada.
And we're just gonna
Here.
take everything around that stem off.
I'm gonna cheat and put it in a colander so I can just wash them off. There's a spider.
Let's get what we can.
Oh, hold on. No, don't do that. Hey, no. Get what Dada's got. Put them in the bowl. Good job. Good job.
Oh man, we got us our very first harvest of the year. Spinach.
Now we just need a little bit of rosemary.
Yeah, a little bit of rosemary. I was trying to see if it had any bugs on it. One little bug right there.
Oh yeah. That's why you wash it off.
Feel like a what's some things that hop around? Grasshopper.
Oh.
Spinach, y'all.
All right, where's your scissors for the...
Huh?
Where's your scissors
Oh yeah,
for the
we
rosemary?
need to get some rosemary too.
Yeah, so I can make a rosemary butter.
Yo. Guys, in just that little space right here is all we grew. Over here, we got us some rosemary, lavender, spinach, collards, buck chew,
Butter crunch?
butter crunch. I was
Lord.
messing around. Butter crunch, and bam. Yeah. And let's put us some eggs on there too.
Put a
Huh? I want to try smoked eggs.
smoked hard-boiled eggs, but not
Yeah.
boiled.
They're not boiled.
I knew as soon as you watched that video earlier, that's what you were going to try and do.
Let's do it.
Well, I got to make some more pickled eggs too because I got the jalapenos.
Oh yeah. All right, let's get it, y'all. All right, y'all. Yes, sir. She's nice and hot. Good gracious sakes. We got that Montreal steak seasoning on it. Oh man. I'm gonna put a little bit of smoke on it. Put a little bit of smoke on it. We don't want to let out too much of the smoke. So let's see what they talk about, man. I got the applewood, smooth, smoke flavor on there, charcoal on there right now. So, well, applewood is applewood charcoal. So, let's see what she talking about, man. She look like she cooking pretty good, man.
You can definitely tell one is 5% and one's 8.4. All right. I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.
You gonna bust it back open?
So it's completely seasoned. I did a buttermilk brine overnight. It's pretty much been brining all day too. So buttermilk, water, seasonings, and it's been soaking. So this is supposed to help make it super tender. And then take it out, pat it dry. And then you have salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a hickory brown sugar mix. So we shall see.
Them steaks almost done now.
Mm-hmm. You about to take mine off.
Yeah, you better go get your
My plate. I'm gonna wash my hands.
I don't like no blood on my steak now. No side, no side.
Medium's good for me. All right, I'm gonna take my steak off. We got little thin ones on purpose because we knew that we were doing a whole rabbit. So I was like, let's not go crazy.
So you got some of that butter. Hold on, man.
So it's just a little rosemary, some salt, and some butter.
Good gracious.
Okay. All right. How long are you supposed to leave them eggs up there?
I don't know.
I mean, I boil them for 11 minutes, so...
I don't know. I don't know.
Lord.
I don't know.
You about to have some yolks the color of that grill.
We gonna see.
All right.
All right. Oh man. We ain't doing too much. Just got some spinach and some steak. That's all. Spinach that we grew. Good God Almighty. God Almighty no. There she go. Butter rosemary on the steak. That's all. Good gracious sake. Well, I don't want to be smacking in y'all ear, man. Love, peace, and happiness, guys. We out. We about to enjoy our food real quick. Holla at y'all.
Skeezy on the beat.